River. Yeah, you don't have to hide back there. I'll cuddle you. Yeah, you like it back there? Yeah, oh my goodness.
If cats didn't like you, you wouldn't stand a chance at getting a turn here.
Oh, this is not fun, guys. Okay, hey, babe. I know. But you wanted to come. She says no.
Exactly like those hyperactive kids who act tough until someone mentions the doctor. How could anyone not love such a healing display of affection?
You scared.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
We're gonna do that blood work with the.
Someone realized resistance is futile and decided to play nice with the vet instead. Bro turned a creek into a runway. Bet it took forever to train this buddy to have such an admirable spirit.
Okay.
Hey, wanna hang out a bit, buddy? Isn't it super boring in here? Let's be friends. When one door closes, another opens, but only after you've finished your checkup, buddy.
She's not having it. She's not.
First time seeing a giant litter box, and the zoomies instantly hit. Just the rise of a sealed patient. Ever wondered what despair looks like? Here.
You wanna go swimming again? There we go. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
This confidence is really shocking for someone who hates water.
You don't mind the vet. How? You are not the biggest fan.
The cat in the back is watching its species' reputation disappear.
Come on! Jump! Come on! Oh, good girl! Good girl!
Most cats dislike being soaked, but many are surprisingly fascinated by water when they can stay in control. All a kitten needs is a dog who tolerates their daily 20-hour nap schedule.
Come on, you can do it. Yes,
The dog's like, why is this kid so obsessed with me when we aren't even blood related? They might be different species, but they both use licks as their love language.
Look at you go! Bak sarılacak şimdi.
Bana sarıl bana.
Wrong move, buddy. That's only gonna make this fella cling to you even more. Hey, I hate being sealed. Ask me yet?
He doesn't growl, he grunts. He's like an old man grunt. He's like,
See, he's biting him.
He's like, excuse me.
you see Rocco? He's like,
Oh.
Swimming is a natural survival skill for many cats, but very few seem to enjoy it this much. Looks like someone agreed to the checkup on the condition of getting the perfect pets first. Doggo's helplessness just shows our kid has taken full advantage of childhood privileges. Cats are great at balancing, but even they can't beat a surprise wave. Every bossy furball needs a patient bestie who's willing to put up with their nonsense.
Oh.
Good reflex. Yeah, you're so good.
Oh.
Good. That's good.
Nothing satisfies a neat freak more than having someone who actually enjoys their grooming like this. Sometimes silence is just another way of showing love back. Getting hugged and maximum security at the same time. This is basically cat's heaven. Whenever they're scared, all they want is to run to their beloved human. Oh gosh, hell. Peace out, I'm gone.
Your little legs first here. Oh my god. I didn't think they used to hate each other. This is weird.
They're buddies.
This is so cute.
Actually, big dogs are way more patient with kittens than cats are. What a perfect duo.
Really? What are you doing? Do this?
This is a guy.
She said, I love this doggy. I want it. I want it for myself.
Who's ready to go to Petco?
This little fluff ball is definitely using its deadly cuteness to distract the vet. This is truly an effective way to warn the vet that you're a tough little troublemaker. Turns out some cats are just meant to be water lovers. See you in the next video. And if you're wondering which cat breed loves water the most, it's definitely the Bengal. Party kiddos only care about fun, not fear.
Take a video. Because you can't even see her. It's just a pair of eyes. Oh my goodness, sweetheart.
Just kidding, we had to come to the vet.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly. Holly. You're so pretty.
I go. Good boy, Hygo. Good boy.
Lily loves swimming. Kittens absolutely love the protection and warmth from dogs. So yeah. This tiny explorer is seeing the world one wave at a time. Bro, just lying there is so boring. Try some stretches. Ah, yes! Sometimes having matching coats is a very effective way to connect and bond two friends. Instead of resisting, just accept and enjoy the checkup like this, mate. Enjoying the view is just an excuse for Buddy, not to be ignored by favourite dude.
Itself is not, in my opinion anyway, that great, but the story and the plot and what she puts things in the early books and then comes to fruition in the future books, and I think Amber should read them in my book.
Get used to this, doggo. You've been officially chosen by this little one.
Oh boys, that is so sweet. Are you getting just morning baths? Very sweet.
Now you know how to keep them in check when there's no pate at the clinic. Why be afraid of someone bigger when there's such an ideal and safe nap spot? A rare furball who realizes that running away is nonsense and only makes the illness worse.
You gonna pet him? Oh my god, you're so cute.
One, two, three. Pee, papas. It's a papa's party. Pee, papas. It's a papa's party.
Haklısın, çok haklısın. Evet acıdı, evet acıdı, evet acıdı. Hamile tutsak. Tamam evet al bunu, al bunu. Isır, onu ısır, onu ısır. Al bunu da ısır istiyorsan.
Kucing rosak tu. Dia main air. Hei, kucing dia rosak tu.
Ôi,อะไรกันครับเนี่ยแล้วหมอเขาจะไปไหนได้จะมาคุยแล้ว
Kız. Kız. Kız ne olmuş?
Good morning. Hi.
I swear I won't wreck this clinic, so stop monitoring me like this.
Come here, baby. You're so good. You're so good. Look at you. You're gonna go all the way to shore. Go ahead. Good girl.
Cats are highly attracted to moving objects, and flowing water checks every box. I've memorized this guy's face. Don't you ever let me cross paths with him again.
Oh, hi there, kitty. I'm your veterinarian. I'm here to make you feel better. Can we get some urine? No? That's okay. I'll give you your boots.
Run away, baby. The fog must follow you. You better get away, get away.
Cats are supposed to hate water, but this cat clearly never got that memo. Curious young animals explore to learn, and this tiny kitten is no exception.
Aria.
Oh no!
Not again. I really have a thing against this metal stuff, you know.
You say Merry Christmas?
What's going on here? Walked into a little massage. She's massaging Peanut.
It's okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Scott. Come here.
This little one seems to trust his sense of smell more than his eyesight.
caffeine. You're making the water brown already. Picture me.
The dog and the cat clearly switched operating systems.
Stay. Good boy.
Why? Because he really stresses. Just because it hasn't happened doesn't mean it's effective. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, but when are you traveling?
And where is the floof? Or where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof?
Forget the stress. The vets are definitely facing physical pressure when checking these fellas.
Ora Untina, che ti hace il doctor? Che ti hace? Contale. Me pongo nerviosa cuando me tocan así, me pongo muy nerviosa.
You okay up there? You okay? I know that was dramatic. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Yep, you're alright.
Hello?
I swim.
Not this kiddo is pulling a pick-me kid strategy.
How'd you get in there? You can try to snuggle? Mommy help you. There you go.
That deadly stare says you better sleep with one eye open. Cats are naturally curious, but this little guy seems a lot more curious than cautious.
Şekilleri.
Not the patients acting like total comedians. See you next time. Bye.
Does that feel good, Liza?
Too lazy to stand up, so the bathtub became his water bowl. Here's living proof that not all cats are afraid of water. This buddy especially.
What are you doing?
What is that? Is that Coco?
Great! Kiddo thinks the clinic is his home and the vet is his servant now. Sometimes the battlefield is exactly where these furballs show up and find things not to their liking.
Freddie!
Cats are weirdos.
When you see something scary, just cover your eyes and poof, it's gone. Dude, this is a clinic, not a prison. There's no need to escape.